Was break. Man, that was rough and tough, man. I'm gonna wave my hand to everybody. Everybody sounds loud and proud around Long Beach, Cal. 1281 cruising this diesel wagon mobile. Break.
Oh, get the 1281, get around your bad boy. Don't call it, don't get that 1281, bad boy. Dump truck and do all he done.
Bad boy, dump truck, New Orleans. That's all I got in my radio. Bad boy, dump truck, New Orleans. Got 30 dBs on this old General Lee. Hello, Mr. Out there in the New Orleans dump truck. Come on back to Long Beach, Cal. Break.
1281, you don't mind if I'm in while you want to say hello to duty. I'm going to get my dump truck out of there. Take care, 1281, bad boy, dump truck and do all he can do.
Worldwide bad boy dump truck. Hey yo, bad boy dump truck. Sound loud and proud. Oh boy, things going well and swell in your end. Have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your evening. 1281 cruising this 18-wheel mobile. It's clear.
Hey, 12. 1281, take care. I'm going to go back in the weight room. 1281,
Bye, bad boy. Bye, bad boy dump truck. Have a good day. Take it easy. Take care of your good sounding self. Bad boy dump truck. 1281 cruising and working this monkey made mobile antenna breaker.
Hey, 1281, them the only two people talking. Hey, 1281, the big man, they all step out just one more time. Hey, 1281, it's down to be pissed off and to be pissed off. But I'm about to piss somebody off. Hey, 1281, the big man said, look like ain't nobody talking but bad boy in no 289. Hey, 1281, the big man got down right there.
Hey, 289, I'm going to go 10-7. Hey, 289, I don't want nobody to get mad at you. Or get mad at me. Hey, 289, I'm going to take a pause for the cause. It's all you and my receive, no doubt about it. 289, the big boss. 1281, Long Beach, Cal, 10-7.
Now you're the big man. 1281, hey, 1281, look what the big man said. 1281, look what the big man gonna say. I'm about to piss everybody off. Man, they got a 5-star general, and they got a general right now. And the 5-star general, and the color was gonna do all the talking. Hey, 1281, the 5-star general said bye.
Bye, 289. I'm going to call you the big bully. Hey, 289, I'm going to call you the big old New Orleans bully. Bye, 289. Have a good day. 1281, Long Beach, Cal, 10-7. We'll see you. Bye, 289. You are by yourself and the water gate don't lie. Bye, 289. Enjoy the rest of your day. 1281 Long Beach, Cal, wrapping and capping this video gate down. We'll see you.
But you can't go get your name called on
I'm trying to call your name, but it's rough and tough, man. I heard somebody out there trying to get their name called, but it's rough and tough on my ears. 1281 Long Beach, Cal, paying attention. Breaker? Is that calling me bad? Was it calling me bad? Come on back. Man, this is rough and tough on my ears, man. I'm going 10-7, 1281 Long Beach, Cal, 10-7. We'll see you.
Hey, 1281, do me a favor, man. Hey, 1281, you see me going 10-7. Won't you take 1229 with you from around New Orleans? Hey, 1281, do me a favor. Take 1229 with you. Hey, 1281, the big man said bye, bye.
289, you want me to take 1229 with me? Hey, 289, he ain't bugging you, man. Shame on you. Hey, 289, I'm going 10-7. You can keep in all your good time gang out there in New Orleans, man. You got to give them some talk time. Hey, 289, 1281 Long Beach, Cal, getting on down.
Bye, 1281. I'm going to be up at Southtown. But they got to fight the counter, but nobody ain't 1281 bad boy. They dump truck at the counter. If they fight the counter, man, I have to get back on that no more. Hey, 1281, before you go 10-7, I want you to ask any one of them cop figures around New Orleans, can they do something with Bad Boy? Hey, 1281, you tell one of them cop figures to take Bad Boy out of your radio. Hey, I'm talking about the dump truck, man. Bad Boy is the man in the dump truck. Hey, 1281, the big man, them officially 10-7.
Bye, 289. You said somebody out there trying to take a bad boy in the dump truck? Hey, 289, you want somebody to take out a bad boy in the dump truck first? Yeah, man, you got something good out there in New Orleans, man. Take it easy, take care with your good sounding self. 1281 10-7, and I'm going to wrap and cap this video gate down. We'll see you.
Hey, 1281, how the radio go down in the workshop? Hey, 1281, 229. Hey, 1281, 229. Buckshot said, hey, Buckshot got.
Buckshot? Was that Buckshot? I think you said Buckshot, waving the hand at 1229. Hey, Buckshot, I'm waving the 5 to 1229. 1281 Long Beach, Cal, back wide. Man, this is a mess out there. It's like a big old dogfight. Bunch of pit bulls and a bunch of chihuahuas. 1281 Long Beach, Cal, 10-7, man. We gotta go. We'll see you.
No matter. The 55 301. Take it from a man that I'll whip you and your tag ass going to California. Won't you get out there with all that damn line? He was out there hollering in the microphone just like you doing.